My name's Darren.
Okay, and
Yeah.
cosplaying is?
I'm cosplaying as Jesus Christ.
Angel, mankind's angel.
Okay, so what brings you to Comic Con every year?
What brings me to Comic Con? Just the fact that I can dress up as whatever I want.
Okay, and
That's basically the reason. And you meet random people and some of your favorite characters from games or TV shows. That's about it.
so what are you cosplaying as?
I'm Maleficent.
Okay,
Maleficent is basically from the fairy tale Sleeping Beauty, and Maleficent is the evil fairy, evil witch. However, she is not really that evil, so she is an evil, not so evil witch.
I'm cosplaying as Plastered Splicer statue from Bioshock.
from Bioshock, right?
Yeah, Bioshock is a game, and plastered statues are basically the statues in Bioshock which are made out of dead people's bodies. But some of the splicers, they disguise themselves as statues and jump scare the player when they come near the statues.
So how much time did it take for you to prepare the costume and all?
It took me around 3 weeks to get this hammer done and around a month to get this costume done.
This took me 3 weeks. This took me one night. This isn't just a normal MBA blazer. Normal jeans, shoes, and the makeup took me like 1.5 hours.
So total how much?
It's been a month since I'm preparing the costume because this is all handmade. It's made from cardboard. And this is curtain. You can see it. These are the knitting needles. Yeah, these are they are hand sewn. You can see here, right?
I took like around 2 days for the headgear and the stick, of course, but the rest of the stuff was just like,
So overall 3 days, I guess.
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Hi, my name is Sushil. What's your name?
Batman.
Batman.
Yeah.
That's the real name.
Batman. Yeah, that's Batman.
What the shit? That's the coolest name ever!
ये आपका फर्स्ट लुक है बैटमैन का इससे पहले भी
नहीं मैं एक्चुअली हर साल बैटमैन बन रहा था लाइक हर साल एटलीस्ट एक दिन पे मैं बैटमैन बनता था सो दिस इज द थर्ड टाइम बैटमैन या
और मैंने मैंने पूरा कॉमिक कॉन घूम रहा हूँ मैं और पूरे कॉमिक कॉन में एक ही बैटमैन देखा है मैंने
Okay, so how was the experience?
This is just too good. I'm amazed. This is actually too good. Like a lot of people with different cosplays. It's too good. It's just too good.
I love it. I'm really loving it that people are appreciating whatever hard work I put in, and they've been rooting for me. Even some people are like, many people they were like, oh my god, you should win. And I was like, okay, there are many better cosplayers around, but okay, I really appreciate whatever they've been saying. I really appreciate that. It's been really nice.
I'm also cosplaying, but nobody noticed me.
What are you cosplaying as?
The Punisher. But
Okay, I couldn't have guessed that. That's a very hard guess.
I know who I am, and I do not need your help.
आपने कभी सोचा नहीं कुछ कैरेक्टर वगैरह प्ले करे यहाँ
एवरी टाइम मैं सोचता हूँ और एवरी टाइम वो आइडिया फ्लॉप हो जाता है क्योंकि एंड मोमेंट पे ऐसा होता है कि क्या करूँ क्या नहीं करूँ क्या करूँ क्या नहीं करूँ और
क्या करे क्या ना करे ये कैसी मुश्किल है कोई तो बता दे इसका हल ओ मेरे भाई
करूँगा आई होप सो मैं अगले साल कुछ तो कुछ कॉस्प्ले करके आऊँ
so are you looking for the new movie?
Yes, Fantastic Beasts.
So do you know any character from the movie, or have you read the books?
I've read the books. I do not know what's in the Fantastic Beasts. That's a surprise for me.
I read the Amulet series by Kazu Kibushi.
Yeah, that was a great series. Okay.
आपका फेवरेट कैरेक्टर कौन सा है
इटाची उचिहा इटाची
Itachi.
Have you find Light Yagami yet?
Yes, 2 light Yagamis. One was actually good.
Okay.
You know, this is the real Death Note. Like Asuka, you can see me.
No. Yes.
So this is the real Death Note. And I'm writing your name. I have the Shinigami eyes.
Why you wanna kill me? I'm the Punisher, man.
I am the Punisher. I'm right here. You want it? I'll give it to you.
just cool.